In this class, we would learn different types of variables, how to identify them when we are conducting an experiment. What are variables? Anything you change during your investigation is known as variable. In any experiment, there are three variables: independent variable, dependent variable, and control variables or constant variable. Control variable is also called constant. Independent variable is the variable which you can change during your investigation. In this picture you see an elastic band can be seen on this hook, and there's a scale where we are measuring the length of elastic band when we put weight on this hook connected with the elastic band. As we add the weight, the length of the elastic band increases. So what we are changing? The weight. So weight is independent variable. Let's see another example. In this diagram, you see a beaker and a thermometer is dipped into the water. And initially, you set the temperature at certain degree, which is called initial temperature. And then we note down the temperature of the water during the cooling of water stored in this beaker. The rate of cooling of beaker depends on the initial temperature you start with. So initial temperature is the independent variable. Clear? If you got any question, you may write in the comment section. Let's see another example. Investigating how the current through a resistor depend on the voltage across it. So what you can change? Voltage. So what is the independent variable? The voltage is the independent variable. This is the variable that changes as a result. You have no control on this, but this depends on independent variable. So the length of the elastic band is the dependent variable. In this example, rate of cooling of a beaker. There was hot water in the beaker. You placed a thermometer in it, note down the temperature, and then you see that how fast this water gets cold. So what's dependent variable? Temperature of the water which is stored. Initial temperature was independent. Third example. So you are increasing the voltage and you are measuring the current. So current depends on the voltage you are changing. So what's dependent variable? The current is the dependent variable. Control variable. These are all the variables that are kept constant, that must not change to make sure it is a fair test. Example 1. What remains same? This scale remains same. This hook remains same. This hook remains same. The room, the place you are doing this lab remains same. So those are control variables or constant variable. Example 2. What is constant? Same beaker, same amount of water, same position in the room, and same room temperature. So it's a fair test. So each activity should have a control variable which is not changed, which does not change. In this one, what are the control variables here? Can you identify which are they? Same circuit, same temperature, same location, that's control variable. After that, we draw a table, a chart. First column, always independent variable. Independent variable is the first one. And next 3 columns are dependent variable. Like we studied in scientific method, we repeat our experiment 3 times. First, second, third, and then we find the average. Then your result will be more reliable if you repeat your investigation and you find precise result. So this is all about variables. Again, example 1, independent variable weight, dependent variable length of the elastic band, control variable same elastic band, same scale. Second example, independent variable initial temperature, dependent variable is temperature as it cools, control variable beaker, water, position, and the room temperature. In third example, voltage is independent variable, dependent variable is the current, control variable same circuit, same temperature each time, and same location for our lab. That's all for today.